Today I will compare two GPU in this video. Firstly, we start general information. GPU variant, architecture, process type, process size, transistors, density, die size, bus interface. Next, theoretical performance, pixel rate, texture rate, FP16 half, FP32 float, FP64 durable, next clock speed, base clock, game clock, boost clock, memory clock, next render configuration, shading units, texture mapping units, render output units, computed units, matrix core, RT core, L0 cache, L2 cache, L3 cache. Next, graphics features, DirectX, OpenGL, OpenCL, Vulkan, shared model. Next, memory support, memory size, memory type, memory bus, bandwidth,